Episode 9, the Daily Scrum Staying on Track. Welcome back. In today's episode, we will talk about the Daily Scrum, a quick but essential meeting that helps your team stay on track during the sprint. The Daily Scrum is a 15-minute time-boxed event where the developers inspect progress toward the sprint goal and adapt their plan for the next 24 hours. It's a focused daily check-in that keeps everyone aligned and on track. During the Daily Scrum, the team usually discusses 3 key points. Number 1, what did I do yesterday that helped the team meet the sprint goal? What will I do today to help the team meet the sprint goal? And number 3, are there any impediments that could hinder the team's progress? This structure helps the team stay focused on the sprint goal and quickly identify any obstacles. But remember, the Daily Scrum isn't just about reporting, it's about collaboration and making adjustments to stay on course. The Daily Scrum is also an opportunity for the team to self-manage. It's up to the developers to decide how they will run the meeting, as long as it achieves its purpose of ensuring progress toward the sprint goal. By keeping the Daily Scrum short and focused, the team can avoid unnecessary meetings and keep the momentum going throughout the sprint. In the next episode, we will discuss the sprint review, where the team showcases their work and gathers feedback. See you then.